Hi there, and welcome to the AI Tribe. Here we discuss various AI implementations to your life as a content creator, as well as keeping you up to date with the newest and most innovative AI tools that can help you monetize your business. Today's topic of conversation is focused on AI implementation into your content creation workflow. Majority of people see content online and have a misconception that it's an easy, straightforward thing to do. The trouble is that they only see the finished product and not the hard work behind the scenes to provide that product to them. Content creation can be a daunting task for those that are starting out especially. Fortunately, through the help of AI tools such as those that we will be discussing today, it is now a lot more simple and it will save you a substantial amount of time using these. Creating content can become a long, dragged-out process if everything is done manually and without any assistance, but this is where AI comes in to help. Today, we've got 3 of our favourite tools for you to consider if you are sick and tired of monotonous tasks such as video editing, creating thumbnails from scratch, and script writing. First up, let's tackle script writing as it is your first step in content creation after coming up with an idea for a video. There are multiple AI-based tools that can help you with this, but perhaps our favourite at the moment is GPT, therefore it is our top recommendation for this particular task. ChatGPT is an AI chat box that has been created by OpenAI and it is there to help you with a multitude of things, but as a content creator we recommend you take advantage of it by asking it to expand on your content ideas. Whether that would be ChatGPT providing you with bullet points, or if you already have those, ask for it to expand on them. Here's an example. We asked ChatGPT to write us a YouTube intro for a video with the title of AI can change your life as a content creator. It returned a description within seconds, showing us just how powerful it can truly be. Of course, this piece of software can do a lot more than that. For example, it can provide you with an answer to just about any question you may decide to ask, but there are also a couple of things to consider when using ChatGPT. Firstly, keep in mind that this version of the tool only has online database access for up to 2021. If you decide to ask ChatGPT questions about current affairs, for example, please be sure to fact check it, and we would recommend using this tool as a creative influence rather than a source for hard facts. One of our favourite things about ChatGPT is the fact that it's still in development and it will only get better over time. One of the areas where ChatGPT is expected to improve is in its ability to understand and generate more contextualized responses. This means that it will be better at understanding the context of a conversation or a prompt and generating responses that are relevant and appropriate. In theory, and of course our advantage, this should make it even more useful for tasks such as script writing, where context is critical for creating engaging and believable dialogue. There are other honourable mentions in this category too, for example Jasper AI, which is another tool that can be incredibly useful for writing scripts and other forms of content. Jasper AI is optimised purely for writing and it can enhance your creative potential. Although the full access version of this software isn't free, at the time of recording this video, Jasper AI allows you to trial its capabilities and you can create up to 10,000 words for free. We will leave a link in the description if you would like to give it a go. The second tool we would like to recommend to you today is Pictory AI. This tool is mainly focused on helping you automate your content creation visuals. Pictory's user interface makes it quite simple to use and it is easy to understand. All you have to do is simply open up the website, log into your Pictory account, choose Text to Video tab and paste your script. Once you have done this, the AI will now choose stock footage scenes that are best suited for your script. Pictory works in tandem with story blocks, therefore you can be sure that the quality of your footage is going to be top notch. However, if you don't like the scenes Pictory has chosen for you, you can always edit and change your scenes manually to help you better illustrate your vision for the subject. Pictory also has an option to convert your text to speech through the use of AI voices, and this feature is quite flawless in what it does. Although it is a powerful tool, just like with ChatGPT, there are some drawbacks to consider. If you are thinking of using this tool for creating YouTube content, for example, it may be tricky to monetize your channel due to YouTube's repetitive and reused content policies, but that does not mean that it's not possible. To avoid getting demonetized, make sure the content that you're creating is adding value to the niche of your choice. One of the worst things you can do is spam hundreds of similar videos without any new ideas or suggestions in a short period of time, so please be mindful and do not use Pictory in such a way as YouTube is now smart enough to notice it and you will not have any financial gain through this. We would suggest you avoid the text-to-speech AI voiceovers and to instead create your own. This will help you bring some of your own personality into the videos. By doing so, you will also have a better chance to get YouTube's approval for monetization of your channel. Our advice is that your best practice is to use Pictory AI as your visual footage creation assistant. As a modern-day content creator, you should aim to combine multiple tools when creating your content, and Pictory AI will prove to be a great addition in saving you time and effort. Perhaps the best use for Pictory AI is to utilize it for your filler video content. If you you are not worried about monetizing your content on YouTube and wish to create content for other users ASAP, it will help you streamline the process and it will definitely increase your efficiency. Pictory AI allows you to try out its features for free when making your first free videos. If you are impressed by it and you could see yourself using it in the future, you can join their monthly subscription, which is $19 for the standard access or $39 for the premium version. Depending on your aims and goals, this could be more than worth it. Okay, moving on to our final recommendation. It's perhaps the most versatile tool we would like to recommend to you today, and it's called Canva. Canva is a design platform for almost all of your creative needs. Its functionality and features are so vast that we will not be able to discuss every use case today, but here are some of the highlights of what this platform can offer you. We use this platform ourselves, and in our case, Canva is mostly used for thumbnail design and animations to enhance the quality of our videos. This, of course, isn't an AI feature, but you would be a fool to think that Canva are not going to implement those going forward. In fact, they already have. They have recently introduced their text-to-image technology, which could be a game changer, for this platform at least. There are other third-party AI websites that offer this feature, for example Midjourney AI, but that would be another subscription for you to pay for. Canva allows you to avoid switching through different platforms, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, of course, but it is more cost and time efficient in this case at least to keep as many things under one roof as possible. Okay, now let's discuss Canva specific features that are particularly handy when creating content. With some help from AI, Canva is able to quickly remove backgrounds, for example. It also has another incredibly cool feature called the Magic Tool, which allows you to change things within your images just by typing in what you would like to be changed, as demonstrated in the example on your screen right now. A somewhat underrated feature of Canva is its built-in video editing tool, which is great for creating both short and long-form content. Canva is very universal, therefore it can be used to create videos for almost any platform out there. In fact, this point is further solidified by the platform offering you a feature that allows you to select presets for different platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, etc. Having these presets definitely comes in clutch, and it is a huge time saver. Okay, having talked about all these great features, here's our favorite thing about this app, and yes, I did say app, as it can be used on your mobile phone. This also isn't just a gimmick too, it has full functionality. This allows you to edit your project while on the go, or when you don't have access to your workstation or computer. Add this to the rest of the features Canva can offer you, and you have got yourself a full house. Once you've tried out this feature-rich platform, and if you decide it's up your street, the Pro version is available for just $12, which we consider to be a steal. Having the Pro version has benefits, such as the ability to work in teams, allowing you and others to work on the same project on the cloud-based system, and many others. We are sure that Canva will remain one of the leading content creation tools, and with a little dash of AI, it will only get better. Be sure to check it out. In an effort to save you time, we have compiled a list of links for you to quickly access all the previously mentioned tools. If you think we've missed anything, let us know in the comments down below.